ocean's rough looking, guys. Look at this. What? This is kind of rough to see. It is. I'm seeing some stuff though right now. Oh, it's the dove again. Yellow, red, lavender, white. All I did is put the brightness down and it's still bright. Wow. And this is sickening. Sad. Sickening. Oh, I'm just happen to get right there. Sorry guys, I'm posting a lot of videos, but I think they're worth looking at. Some of our skies this has just become just sad. Sad that no one's noticed except for sky watchers, guys. I know I saw the moon. Right there. Wow. Wow. Big old X's, and it's not make it noticeable or anything. Angel Dove, you brighten my day. Y'all brighten my day, guys. Thank y'all. I don't even know if anyone's watched my videos yet. You know, I'm happy even just one. But I'm thrilled that we're connecting, guys. Thank y'all. Wow. It's just sickening looking. Look at this, it's so dark over there. I did not know for sure what is spraying the skies. Most of the time it's planes, guys. Yeah, I realize. With dangerous chemicals. Yes. But now they're going to a whole nother extreme because it's getting harder and harder to cover up what's behind these, guys. Wow. 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 That's just like, this is just, what? See, yellow, white. Some massive faces up there. What? That looks like a Pac-Man hand or something. What? Here I am with this what again? And this dark stuff and designs. Thank you! Yeah, I had to do sky watching in between. Making homemade buttercream icing, guys. Have to do that on the side. Not many people are going to want to buy cakes, you're right. Brother Mark, I still remember you saying that to me. God bless y'all, guys. This today was something else. It still is.